Hey Flower Tribe, it's Kelly Lehman and Lucy Lehman, and today we want to tell you a simple way to dry out your herbs. So I made a few videos letting you know how to plant an herb garden in 5 minutes and how to get blooms from your herb garden all summer long, but I'll put links to both of those videos in descriptions below. If we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey. And I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post another fun, free flower tip video. So let's dive right in. So once you harvest some of your herbs, it's really easy to dry them out. And I like things that are kind of no fuss, really simple. I don't like to use a lot of expensive products when I don't have to. So I'm gonna use just the basic old-fashioned method that's been used for like thousands of years to dry out my herbs. So I'm basically gonna take some of the healthiest herbs that I find from my herb garden. I'm gonna separate them. I don't wanna have my bunches too thick, and I'm going to tie a little bit of twine around these. And listen, if you like thicker bunches for your herbs, you can hang them in larger bunches. It just might take a little bit longer for them to dry out, but I like to have a smaller bunch because when I'm cooking, I like to kind of grab and go. So I'd rather just grab kind of what I need, for like a quick meal prep. So I'm going to just tie a little bit of string around them, and I'm actually going to put a knot on this. And I'm going to wind up going into my flower barn, and I'm gonna just put a little bit of tape on my wall, and I'm gonna hang them just like that. This is cilantro, super easy. I'm gonna do the same thing with my dill. Simple knot. Okay, now my dill's all set to go. My cilantro's all set to go. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of thyme. And that's it. And basically I'm just going to bring these inside, and you want to store them in like a dark place. You want to keep them away from any kind of moisture because you don't want them to get moldy. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to hang them in my flower barn right now. Come on, Lucy. Come on, girl. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Get you in here first. Yeah, in you go. And that's it. And you can even trim off some of the extra string if you want. You don't have to. Makes it look a little prettier in here. And that's your herb wall. Easy squeezy. And then what I like to do is after a couple of weeks, once they're dried out, you can just kind of take either the whole bunch, or just like you can just come in here, you could even do like a clipping if you want, and you could just take the herbs that you need, and you can either just kind of, with your hands, kind of either put them over a cutting board or over your soups or salads or however you're going to use them, or you can actually put them on the cutting board and then just kind of cut right into them, knowing that they're going to be super dry and easy to work with. So you can use these herbs all winter long. So, and the smell's so beautiful. I wish you could smell what it smells like in here. So you can do this with basil and rosemary and mint and all sorts of different herbs that you grow in your gardens. So thank you so much for joining us in this video, and I hope you guys learned a lot about how to dry out your herbs from your herb garden. And please feel free to subscribe to this channel and also say hi to us on social media. Please say hi over on our Cranbury Fields Instagram page, and check out our Patreon page in case you're interested in becoming a supporter of this channel. So I will see you in the next video.